So, you've probably seen these videos of futuristic homes where a single voice command turns on the lights, starts the coffee maker, and even adjusts the thermostat. That's a smart home. At its core, it's just a collection of internet-connected devices that you can control remotely, usually with your phone or your voice. The whole point is to add convenience, save a little bit of energy, and add a layer of security to your living space. It's about making your home work a little bit smarter for you, automating the small, repetitive tasks that you do every single day without even thinking about them. For a long time, the idea of a smart home felt like something out of a sci-fi movie or something reserved for the super rich. But that's just not the case anymore. The tech has gotten so much better, so much cheaper, and so much easier to set up. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a massive budget to get started. Let's start with the easiest and most impactful entry point: lighting. Smart lighting instantly makes your home feel more modern. Change colors. Dim the brightness set schedules all from your phone. For our $100 budget, we're going to allocate about $30 to lighting. You don't need to replace every bulb. A great starting point is a 4-pack of Wi-Fi smart bulbs, Wyze Kasa by TP-Link, around $25 to $30 and no separate hub required. Once you have your bulbs, you'll want to make your dumb appliances smart. Smart plugs are incredibly versatile. Plug the smart plug into a regular outlet, lamp, fan, coffee maker. Instantly control that device with your phone or voice. We're going to set aside another $30 for a 4-pack of smart plugs, Wyze Kasa Amazon Basics. So, with lights and plugs, we've spent about $60 of our $100 budget. What does that actually get you? 2 smart bulbs in your living room lamps, 2 in your bedroom. Schedule them to turn on right before you get home, creating a welcoming environment. Now that we've handled lighting and convenience, let's use the remaining part of our budget to add a basic layer of smart security. When people think of smart security, they picture expensive systems with professional monitoring. But you can get genuine peace of mind for a lot less. The best bang for your buck is a simple indoor security camera. We'll allocate about $35 for this. WizeCam Blink Mini. Small and discreet camera shots. 1080p HD video. Night vision. 2-way audio so you can talk through the camera. Motion detection alerts sent directly to your phone. Place in the main living area. Pointed at your front door. Check in on your home from anywhere. It's great for seeing if a package was delivered, checking on your pets, or just ensuring everything is as you left it. It's a powerful tool for under $40. With the camera costing around $35, we've now spent a total of $95. We have $5 left, perfect for a smart contact sensor. A 2-pack often costs around $20. Sometimes a single one is closer to $10. Or you can find a deal. Place the sensor on a window. Place the sensor on a door. It will send an alert to your phone whenever it's opened. It will send an alert to your phone whenever it's closed. So, we've bought our smart bulbs, plugs, a camera, and a sensor. Right now, you can control each of them through their own dedicated apps. That's cool, but honestly, it's not exactly a seamless smart home experience. The real goal is to unify control under a single umbrella. This is where a central smart home ecosystem comes into play, and the best part is, you probably already have one. If you have a smartphone, you have access to either Google Assistant or Apple's Siri. These voice assistants can act as the central hub for all your different smart devices. The key is to make sure the products you buy are compatible with your preferred ecosystem. Wyze, Kasa, Blink work flawlessly with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. During the setup process in their native apps, there will be an option to link your account to Google or Alexa. Once you do that, you can ditch the individual apps for daily control. You can simply say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights, Alexa, show me the living room camera," and it just works, regardless of who made the device. This is where you can start building routines, which are custom commands that trigger multiple actions at once. For example, in the Google Home app, in the Alexa app, you can create a good morning routine. So, let's circle back to the original question. Is it really possible to build a smart home for just $100? The answer is a definitive yes. Not the most complex setup, but absolutely a smart home. Automated lighting. Control simple appliances from anywhere. A basic security system that actually gives you peace of mind. What we've built here is a solid, practical foundation, Genuine convenience, a touch of futuristic fun, without financial strain. From here, the path to expansion is clear. Add more bulbs, add more plugs, add a smart speaker, Google Nest Mini, or an Echo Dot. Later, a smart thermostat to save on energy. But this core system gives an immediate, tangible upgrade. A smarter living space within anyone's reach.